They sent me 7 here. 7, mashallah, they sent me. God bless. You answered quickly like that. I used your name. Homework with the pen up there. Answer, answer, answer so we can see your answers and adjust your grade. Let's do like this. Look how many you answered. 14 answers here. Look, 14 in seconds here. Answer. Quickly like that. Yes, quickly like that. Because the topic is simple. The topic is very simple. Okay, come on. I want to start correcting now. As a teacher, I want to correct. Okay, see, that's enough. Enough, 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 enough. Dr. Suleiman and Dr. Ahmed, thank you. Let's start correcting. Click on Dr. Sultan to see his work. Dr. Sultan wrote his name and sent the paper. I give him a score, 1 out of 10, as he didn't answer. Refresh to see the grade. Let's continue. I come here and click on Dr. Sultan. Let's click on him to see. Dr. Sultan had a pen, writing his name and saving it to send me the paper quickly. Oh, that's Dr. Suleiman. I won't get Sultan's answers, so I give him a score. As a teacher, I press with the pen and give him 1 out of 10. Sorry, Dr. Sultan, you didn't answer. It's easy. The grade is like that. Dr. Sultan, you'll see your grade. Okay, if I refresh now, you'll see it. Do you understand, Dr. Sultan? What does that mean? Yes, it means that's correct. The rest hasn't been corrected yet. Wow, this is beautiful. It's very easy, Sami. You can do it, and we can do activities for the students right away, and in seconds they send it to me. I raise it, it's right away. By the way, the student can, with an eraser, correct it after writing. Oh, 1 out of 10 for Dr. Sultan. Sorry, you didn't answer. Just say it and press. It's easy. The grade is like that. When I refresh, you'll see Dr. Sultan. Dr. Sultan, do you understand? What does that mean? Yes, it means correct. The rest isn't corrected yet. Wow, what beauty. It's easy, Sami. You can do it, and we can do activities for students right away. In seconds, they send it to me. I raise it instantly. With the pen, it's right. Students can use an eraser to correct. Let's see Dr. Magdi. He hasn't written yet. I wish someone would write. After students write, they can erase. Dr. Sultan, what does that mean? Yes, what does it mean? It means that's correct. The rest hasn't been corrected yet. Wow, what beauty is this? This is beautiful. Very easy, Sami. You can do it, and we can do activities for the students right away. And in seconds, they send it to me. I raise it, it's right away. With the pen, it's right. By the way, the student can, with an eraser, correct what he did. Now let's see Dr. Magdi. He hasn't written anything yet. Someone would write. After the students write an answer, they can erase it. This eraser allows you to erase what you've done with a pen and an eraser. And then I can, as a teacher, correct. So I come here and say 2 out of 10. And I say, this is correct. Then I check the next one. And if anyone else writes next to it, yes, 2. Let's see Dr. Magdi. Dr. Magdi, he hasn't written. I wish someone wrote. Sometimes students write an answer here like this, and then with an eraser, they erase what they did. This eraser lets you erase with a pen. As a teacher, I correct and say, well, 2 out of 10. And I say, this is correct. Then I check the next one, and if anyone else writes next to it, yes, 2. Yes. I don't know Dr. Abdullah Rami's answers. Dr. Abdullah Rami or Dr. Abdullah, mashallah. He wrote something nice here. No, Dr. Sultan, you have the pen to write normally. This eraser allows you to erase what you've done, meaning with a pen and an eraser. And then, as a teacher, I'm the one correcting, so I come here and say, well, 2 out of 10, and I say, this is correct. Then I check the next one, and if anyone else writes next to it, yes, 2, yes. I don't know, but from the answers, Dr. Abdullah Rami, Dr. Abdullah, mashallah, he wrote something. He wrote something nice. Here. Really beautiful, guys. Really, really beautiful. No, you have the pen. Dr. Sultan, you have the pen. You can write normally. Oh, of course, because you have it. I might have been working on the mobile or working on this. Here, you can control it. Look at everyone who sent it. I sent it. Everyone who sent it. Look, mashallah, mashallah, in seconds. And the correction happens in seconds. And they see the grade in seconds. It's a job and it's amazing. So I'm using this app. I'm always with the students. A cloud account, and we're together like this. Everything is together. The cloud. So, what do you think of this app? And the second app, which is the worksheet app. This is amazing, guys. Where did the second app go? The live sheet, right? The second app is awesome. But I want you to sit and look at it. It produces worksheets. Here it is. This is it. This is awesome. It creates an account for you in it. So you can download. You need to create an account here. And of course, it's free. And you can log in and check it out. If you click on the word interactive worksheet here, you can see all the languages available. You have all the languages. Look, you have English, and I don't know what other languages. And of course, there are Arabic options, but they are a bit limited. It also has computer science, medicine, physiology, and biology. It has amazing stuff, really amazing. And it has ready-made materials, honestly. Go, honestly, here you discover, look. All of this is running. All of this, each one of these you can click on. Yeah, each one of these, for example, if we go into, say, French, it will be under here, French, I don't know what else. All the languages and all the subjects, all of them. Of course, when I logged in, I just got you the Arabic option. Here, I brought you the Arabic option. I brought you the Arabic option here in mathematics. It gives you categories for mathematics and science. If we go into science, it offers you e-learning. And it covers all sciences. But for all stages, Newton's laws, and I don't know who, and the struggle, and the seed plants, and I don't know. The worksheet lets you explore at your own pace. It's a biology worksheet about cycles or something like that. But the Arabic options are limited, while the English, French, and other materials are honestly impressive. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and we are still in need, so here you have it, guys. So it's a good idea. So here you have it, guys. This program is awesome, awesome. I consider this program, which is Senkaio, one of the most important programs, I interact with students online. I even use it for tests. Instead of traditional tests, students see and start immediately. It saves. Go into Word. If I go to the computer, a test might be on my desktop. I keep things on my computer. I'll go to cloud storage. I'll go to Qasim University. Important stuff is saved in Qasim University. I'll check my email. For example, if I go into the computer like this, I might have a test on my desktop. It's possible I have a test there. All right, let's go to what's left, or what's the feature here. Because I always keep something on my computer, I'll go into the cloud storage. Look, I'll go into the cloud and get a test from my tests. Just a moment. I'll go into Qasim University. I'll go into Mega. I have it in Mega. And I have it in Qasim University. I'll go into Qasim University. But the really important stuff I've saved in Qasim University here. And I'll go into my email. Just a moment. It's opening, or I'm going into the drive. And I've put all my tests and everything here in OneDrive. Please hold on for just a moment, as the system is currently in the process of opening. I am either accessing or entering the drive, which may take a little time. This involves connecting to the server and ensuring all necessary permissions are in place. Once everything is set up correctly, I will be able to proceed with accessing the files stored within the drive. Thank you for your patience during this process. And I put my tests and everything here in OneDrive. I'll go to my files. Any test you have, you can upload it, and people can see it and share it in seconds, in a minute, in a second. I'll go to my college files. I come, for example, to ask that, for example, the final exams, like the systems analysis test. This is a test that has already passed, and there are no more schools for it. So you have, for example, this test. This is a test that can be given to the students. Let's say I take 2, 4, or maybe 5 questions from this test. For example, 5 questions, and I made a test, or I created a training session to check if the students understand the material I'm explaining to them online or not. So, what are the steps? Here, guys, I would choose a set of questions, and if I had 6 questions, I would try them out on the students for a few seconds, or I would set the questions like this. I created a test or a training session to make sure the students understand the material I'm explaining to them online. So, what are the steps? Here, guys, I would choose a set of questions, and if I had 6 questions, I would try them out on the students for a few seconds or set the questions like this. Okay? And I see what I should start with to try it out with the students. Because, of course, you need to organize things properly and efficiently, and I don't want to waste any unnecessary time. So I'll just press save, and I'll save it as, for example, practice test 2. Initially, to begin with, I will simply click on the save button and proceed to save it as a file named, for instance, practice test 2, and confirm the action. And save the file, please. Here it is. That's it. That's it. Come on, share it with the students in seconds. Go to Syncayo. Here it is. This is Syncayo. Let's go to Syncayo, and then go back and click on add. And right here, the images folder opened up. This is the images folder. All right, bring the file for practice test 2. Pull it. But, all right, I'll share it with the students in seconds. As soon as the word share appears, I'll send them the link right away so the students can start solving it immediately. How nice, how easy, and very comfortably without any hassle. Here, share. In seconds, I'll copy the link code and say, come on, go ahead, enter the test, let's go. Correction, guys, doesn't take time, I swear. I swear it doesn't take time because you have the tools you need. So the whole idea is that in virtual coincidence, don't need to do a full test. You can create 5 questions like that. Or you can set a timer. 5 questions like that to engage the students with you. You can engage the students with a regular question, no problem.